Hello again, welcome to News in Brief at 10:30. And road construction works are currently being undertaken in various parts of the Obuasi Municipal in the Ashanti region. The project, when completed, will open up Obuasi and enhance economic activities in the municipality. A report by Benjamin Adu.
Roads in the Obuasi Central District, such as Old Estate Abrompre, is under construction, as well as the upgrading of the Akaporisi Abusko Road. Others include the upgrade of Kunka Traffic Signal, Mawuli, drainage works along the Bongobri, Abompe and Buete Brand Mission Roads, which is to be tackled. In an interview with TV3, the Obuasi Municipal Chief Executive, John Alexander Akon, indicated that Obuasi is gradually having the feel of the Better Ghana agenda. He disclosed that there were a number of ongoing drainage works in the municipality, which include the 1.2-kilometer Kunka Road, Brahabebome Pipe Culvert on the North Kunka Road, and another culvert on the Goso Extension Ridge Road and Dunkwa Road in Nyameso. He mentioned the completion of the road diversion from Bokobri through the Jehovah Witnesses camping grounds to the Kumasi Road at Petro Africa filling station, which could now be used. He hinted that there were plans to create more access roads and diversions and drains to ease the movement and traffic within the municipality.